Hey, my name is Sunil Chilani and I'm from Vistamji International School. I've joined Nimliker's Language Lab and it is quite useful as my marks have improved a lot. It improves our language skills especially for Marathi and Hindi. My marks have been much better than before and it's very useful for students to learn as it's a home away from home and we enjoy a lot over here. We study and we also improve our marks and it's a lot of fun to study.
Hi, I'm Ms. Varsha Ganguly. I'm a student of Nimliker's Language Lab. In this competing world of perfection, where all we need is just a will to do everything perfect, especially being a non-Maharashtrian, I had difficulties coping with subjects like Hindi and Marathi. But being in Nimliker's Language Lab helped me a lot. It helped me to improve my grammatical skills, my vocabulary. And at the end of the year, I was really happy to take the right decision of joining Nimliker's Language Lab because it was more like a fun-filled activity where we did various tasks like reading, writing and learning new things, new phrases and everything which is required to score good in languages like Hindi, Marathi and even English. So it's a very good decision if anyone joins Nimliker's Language Lab. Thank you.
And the vocabulary and everything, it's quite useful for those who are non-Maharashtrians and even Maharashtrians. It has helped me a lot. My marks are like way better than before. So I guess Language Lab helps everyone.
This is Shrishti Singh. I am from Vistamji International School. I have joined Nimliker's Marathi and Hindi Language Lab. It's really very useful. We enjoy a lot here and it has helped me in improving my marks in Marathi and Hindi as well.
I'm Riya Mari from Vistamji International School. I have joined Nimliker's from the 10th and Language Lab is very useful. I have scored very good marks in languages, especially in Hindi and Marathi. And being a Maharashtrian, it's like a more good for my marks to score me. And it will also help me and all the guys to score more good marks.
Hi, I'm Celeste Neto and I'm from MIG. I've joined Nimliker's, this is my first year. And through the little classes that we have had with the new posting and all, I think I'm doing pretty well. The teachers here teach really well. We can understand more. We increase our knowledge. It's fun here. It's nice.
Hello. Hi, I'm Sandra Keshavar from Maranatha School and I have joined Nimliker's Language Lab. This is the first year and we have a lot of fun over here. And our writing skills and language skills have improved.
I'm Ashwati Anikrishnan from MIG. I have joined Language Lab, Nimliker's Language Lab from 9th standard. It was like a small family over here. So it has helped us a lot in studying in Marathi and Hindi. We have got good marks compared to before. And I'm thankful to Sir for teaching us Marathi and Hindi very nicely. And it's fun being in Language Lab.
This is Yashashri Purohit from MIT. I have joined Language Lab from 9th standard since 2 years. We had so many things like Sartuka, writing skills, used to take rapid reading, used to take answer in briefs every time and we enjoyed our Language Lab. Because of this my Marathi language is improved, Hindi too.
Hello, I'm Val from MIG. I've joined Nimliker's Language Lab from 9th standard. Here there is a batch of 10 students and a personal attention is given to each and every individual. We enjoy it a lot. We make less spelling mistakes nowadays because we made many tests and worksheets we solve over here and it's really good.
Hello, this is Purra Kuru and I have joined Nimliker's tutorial from last year and I have also joined Nimliker's Language Lab over here. Hindi and Marathi being my mother tongue, I used to make many mistakes but here sir taught me how I could just compare my mistakes and I could make more improvement and enhancement in my vocab and even in my writing skills. Then it's a group of 10 students over here. Personal attention is given to everyone and we have a lot of fun over here.
My name is Neha Patwardhan. I recently joined Language Lab. Previously my scores in Marathi were not so good. But then I encountered with Mr. Bhushan Nimlikar and they guided me to join the Language Lab. After my 2 sessions with Language Lab, I was confident in myself and my Marathi scores rose.
My name is Shreyas Anand Sawan. Usually my Marathi was very weak. I was getting very less marks in Marathi. But recently I joined Language Lab in Nimlikar tutorials. It has helped me a lot. 2 sessions were awesome and my language improved a lot in that. Sir Bhushan Nemlekar guided me a lot. He helped me in essay writing, letter and everything. But now portion has changed, so it is really a need for languages. So I think my marks will increase.
Hello, my name is Deepankar Kamath. Last year I had only taken only math, science and English. But last year I should have taken language lab. After the two sessions of language lab, it was amazing. But I will advise you to take the language lab to improve, to acquire more marks. As also Mr. Bhushan Nemlekar advised us to take language lab. My grades are very high, so thank you, sir, for better marks.
Hello, my name is Prachi Kulkarni. I am from Vidya Mandir. I joined language lab this year, and it was my experience was very nice. I advise you all to join it because if you are poor in Marathi, then I assure you that you will absolutely, at the end of the year, you will do well in this language.
My name is Riya Gadiyar. I joined Marathi Language Lab this year. I should have joined it last year as I have become very fluent in Marathi and my vocabulary and writing skills have improved. Advise you all to join Language Lab as your Marathi will improve and you will progress in life.
Hello friends, this is Ruchita. I had done my 9th and 10th for Nemlekar, the part of Nemlekars for the batch 2009 and 2010. Sir used to take our language lab during that. He used to special emphasis on English, Hindi and Marathi. Usually English medium students make mistake in Marathi and Hindi. They can speak Marathi and Hindi well, but during writing they make lots of mistakes. So sir used to specially tell us to write each and every answer. He used to never take orally. He used to always say that write so you will be the best, and it really helped me in my board exams to increase my marks. So I would advise it, please go and join the language lab so that the students will be benefited, and it's really like a family because there are very less students in it. It's like a private batch, so you can join it.
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi Kathe. I was from Mary Immaculate Girls High School. Actually, language lab helped me a lot in 10th standard, and we could actually find a difference in what they teach in school and in language lab. Like, it actually helps to promote your language skills and writing skills. And in the starting, we actually write a lot, and it will actually help, and it is really fun. It is like fun with studying, and Actually, after 2 years, we actually realized that we still remember some of the stuff of the Marathi or Hindi thing, and it is really helpful. And it is not just by hearting; it is understanding and having fun with the languages and the words, and it is really helpful for you.
Hi, this is Mansi Chavan from Vidya Mandir. I presently gave my 12th, and I am a Nemlekars Language Lab student right from 8th standard. In 10th, I secured 93 on 100 in Marathi. I was very happy that I secured 93 in Marathi, which is highest in language lab, and it was all because of the sir's efforts. So it was very elaborate in taking our dictations, orals, worksheets, and what all. Be the one to take the benefits and improve your Marathi. You can improve your vocab of Marathi, which is done in this language lab. So I will advise you all to be the part of Nemlekars Language Lab and fly with colors. Thank you.
Hi, this is Harshali Vijay Patil from Mary Immaculate Girls High School. I have got the privilege to talk about the Nemlekar tutorials for the first time. Since I have appeared for 12th recently, I would like to tell you about my 10th standard experience in the Nemlekar tutorials, especially about the Marathi Language Lab. The one watching this video will surely be knowing, if appeared for 9th, that the corrections of papers are made damn strictly just to improve, just to make us well prepared for the 10th standard. The same situation was with me. I had gone down in Marathi scores and had lost my confidence in Marathi subject. It was due to Mr. Bhushan Nemlekar, who had boosted my performance in Marathi subject, and by taking dictations of each and every subject, not even the poems, even the poems.
Hello, I'm Ritika Parak, and I used to study in St. Mary's High School. joined Namelyker's Language Lab in 10th standard. It helped me to increase my vocab, my grammar and all my skills were perfectly brushed when I joined Namelyker's Language Lab. It helped me in my SSC board examinations and I give all this profit to Language Lab. We used to have many discussions and many interactions in Language Lab. So I advise you to join, which will firstly help you because due to this changing portion, you will feel it very difficult to cope up with all the studies. So please, I advise you to join this.
Marathi and English. And since most of us over here are from English medium schools, we have trouble with our Marathi. It may be basic grammar, it may also be spellings, or it may be something like reading at a higher level or at a higher speed. And Sir would help us with this. Sir helped us with all languages, even with English. And just through normal group discussions and interactive sessions, Sir would slowly help us erase our mistakes and improve our language, and all of this was very beneficial in the end because we all scored really good in our languages. So I would advise the current students to join Language Lab because from what I got, the syllabus has changed and it is a bit more tough than what it was for us, and this will definitely help you.
Hi, I'm Kinali Khatkar and I'm the student of Namelyker Language Lab. Joining Language Lab had helped me to improve my vocabulary and my grammar. There are most of the students who find subjects like Marathi and Hindi very difficult, but after joining Language Lab, Sir has taught us, emphasized us on subjects like Marathi and Hindi. In Language Lab, we had like interactive sessions, dictations, which had helped us a lot. So I would like to advise current students to join the Language Lab. It would help them a lot. Thank you.
I am Vishwesh Jani. I had just appeared the 10th standard exams and I was in Namelyker's in the Language Lab section last year. This Language Lab has helped me very much to empower the language, to empower the command over the languages, that is Marathi and Hindi. I am basically a non-Maharashtrian student. My Marathi was very weak earlier, but the Language Lab has helped me to increase my command over the language and fluency of the speaking. I am also sure that I will score good marks in the boards in Marathi and also in Hindi. I may also advise the other students who are coming to Namelyker's to join Language Lab and to find out their talent in their languages. As the portion has changed, the Language Lab section has become more tough to concentrate on students' vocabulary and students' fluency in speaking the language.
My name is Sushmita Pundi. I am from Mary Macleod Girls High School. I attended Language Lab in the 10th standard. It is very beneficial for the languages, like especially Hindi and Marathi. Tests are conducted in every class before the class begins, and there are dictation tests, different chapters. Every chapter test is kept on every day when the Language Lab is there. And thank you.